ThermApp MD is a thermographic fever scanner which can detect individuals with higher than normal body temperature and gives automated alerts. Setting up. First, set up the Android mini computer provided with the ThermApp and attach it to a mouse and a monitor using the HDMI connection. Turn it on and select the ThermApp application if it doesn't open automatically. The app will open automatically in your mini Android computer or in a phone or tablet when the cable is connected. On initial startup, the app may download calibration tables and updates. This will only happen on the first setup and when versions are updated by OpGal. Choose the thermography mode from the right option icon. Make sure not to set the camera up near extreme heat or cold sources, such as a heater or an air conditioning vent, as this will distort results. For best performance, the ambient room temperature should be close to 25 degrees Celsius. For optimal performance, allow the camera to reach a steady temperature state by waiting 5 to 10 minutes from startup. Once the camera is settled, you need to establish a baseline. To do so, have 3 healthy people with regular temperatures pass in front of the camera, 3 to 5 meters away for the 6.8mm lenses and 6 to 10 meters away for 19mm lenses. This will also be the detection range for the alerts. The camera will measure and give the temperatures reading of the person. Once you have all 3, calculate the average temperature. Raise the threshold dial 1.5 degrees above to set a threshold which will give an alert for an individual with a fever. The temperature indicator will give the surface temperature for the individual with the hottest temperature in the field of view. Once an alert is given for the individual, make sure to alert medical personnel who can administer a more thorough exam. Remember, the ThermApp MD is affected by the ambient temperature of its surroundings. Thus, it provides relative temperature reading as opposed to a thermometer, which gives absolute temperature readings. So while the baseline may change, the heightened temperature of a feverish individual will give an alert. Important: skin temperature of an individual may be affected by the following: coming in from extreme temperatures such as very cold weather or right after standing next to a heater, drinking significant quantities of alcohol, or taking temperature-altering drugs, strenuous exercise.